Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Joseph Cipriano, and today I'm here with my wife.
Hello.
And I don't actually have my table on me, and she is in desperate need of an adjustment. So what I'm going to be doing today is, because I know her body and I know how her spine moves and I know where she's going to be out of alignment, especially with feeling around, I'm going to be doing just 3 adjustments on her. So let's get started. So I start off in the cervical spine here. We're feeling right through the neck, and oh, I already feel this. If you want to come in, this is so you can hear what's going to go on. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Great.
Now I'm going to have you turn, face the camera, arms out. Okay. Come on in with this. You're going to want to hear this a little bit, so come to this side. Come on in. So I'm going to have you lean back on me, squeeze your elbows together. And you, and you felt that one. So typically when my wife asks me for an adjustment, when I don't have my actual table where I can go through and do the leg length and do a full body adjustment, typically what I'm doing, I'm going to go through, I'm going to adjust the neck, I'm going to adjust the upper back, and there's not really any good way, if you don't have a table, to adjust anything of the lower half of the body. So this is a very quick, and I only do these kind of adjustments for my wife. So if you guys ever are in the South Carolina area, feel free and stop in, make an appointment. All my info will be in the details of this video. So Dr. Joseph Cipriano.